Our company is Huali. We are a leading manufacturer of furniture material, including edge banding, handlebar. We have 6 factories in China. Edge banding is our main product. CBD is a very famous show in the industry. During the show, we can meet our old and new customer. We can discuss and meet with them face to face, share and exchange our views. It's really well organized. So the plant floor is clean and easy to navigate. We have 3 kinds of product here, and the traditional is edge banding, which we already produced for 30 years. Customer can source different products in our booth. We provide a one-stop service for our old and new customer. The CBD show is famous, and many customers come here. During the show, we are expected first to meet our old customer, to exchange existing business and to review everything. CBD will connect